Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a new social security card. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, this is mind-blowing. The website Privacy Affairs says thieves on the dark web are trading people's social security numbers for $2 a piece, a measly $2 to wreak havoc on your financial life. Just maddening. If criminals compromise your social security number, you might be able to get Uncle Sam to give you a new one. But not everyone qualifies. The Social Security Administration says it can assign a new number only if you are a victim of identity theft who continues to be disadvantaged by using your original number. There is a situation of harassment, abuse, or life endangerment like domestic violence. Sequential numbers assigned to members of the same family are causing problems. More than one person is assigned or using the same number, or you have a religious or cultural objection to certain numbers in the original number. If you're in any of those categories, here is how to apply. First, contact Social Security to schedule an appointment. Here is the number 800-772-122. Pro tip: the agency says wait times are shortest Wednesday to Friday. Later in the day, Social Security's website says you have to fill out this form SS5. It's actually pretty easy, just one page. The Social Security website also says you'll have to provide a statement explaining the reasons for needing a new number with current credible third-party evidence, proof your identity is being repeatedly stolen, you're being harassed, etc. Next, you'll have to prove you are who say you are with original documents like your birth certificate or passport. If you qualify for a new social security number, Uncle Sam doesn't get rid of the old one. The administration says it will cross-refer the new number with the original number. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.